이곳은 시애틀의 조그만 소도시. 세라는 강력반 형사입니다. 수십 명의 피해자를 낸 연쇄 사건을 조사하던 그녀는
Only a cop could have found that storage unit before us. Planted those trophies.
사건의 진범이 스키너였다는 걸 알게 되죠.
If you want to see him alive, you'll come with me.
Where is he?
인지를 구출하기 위해 스키너의 별장으로 간 그녀.
You loved me, Sarah.
Because I didn't know you.
You knew something.
드디어 목적지에 도착했을 때
Where's Adrian?
I lied. He's been with us the whole time. He's in the trunk.
결국 괴물에게 방아쇠를 당긴 세라. 하지만 모든 것은 스키너의 계획이었습니다.
Lennon, look at me. He wants you to do this.
You love me. It's gotta be you.
You know what? No!
세라는 그를 완전히 끝장내버리죠.
No, 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 no.
집으로 돌아온 그녀는 증거를 인멸하기 시작합니다. 입었던 옷을 모두 불태우고 있을 때 동료 형사인 홀더가 찾아오죠.
Just gotta keep our story straight, Len. No one's gotta know what we did.
그녀가 쏜 총알은 2발.
You got a dump in those shells at the end of the island. A couple hours, you report you stolen. Everyone knows he was going on vacation for a couple of weeks, so we bought ourselves some time. Just worry about what we gotta do right now.
억지로 잠을 청해봤지만 손끝에 남은 감각은 지워지지 않습니다. 다음 날 또 다른 사건이 발생한 시애틀.
911 call came in to dispatch. Responding officers didn't find any forced entry, but Philip and Linda Stansberry, ages 57 and 49.
총격을 입고 사망한 부부. 하지만 주방에선 두 딸도 발견되는데요.
16-year-old daughter Phoebe Stansberry. Youngest child, 6-year-old Nadine Stansberry.
그런데 피아노 옆에선 살아있는 장남이 발견되었죠.
Kyle Stansberry, 17-year-old son. He had a self-inflicted gun wound to the head.
That's the weapon.
It's registered to the dad.
현재 장남은 병원에서 수술 중.
We know Cal's a student at St. George's. It's like a dump site for fucked up rich kids. It costs like $50K to go there.
유일한 생존자 카일은 유력한 용의자입니다.
Killer makes it out of surgery alive. You know, slap some bracelet on.
이때 군복을 입은 여성이 찾아옵니다.
I'm here for Kyle Stansberry. They said that he was in surgery.
Are you family?
I have known Philip, his father, for over 20 years. He just wouldn't do this horrible thing.
마침 카일의 수술도 끝났습니다.
He's a lucky kid. Bullet grazed his skull and he's got a severe concussion.
I'd like to see him.
No visitors until tomorrow. He needs his rest.
세라는 일단 가족 주변을 수사하기 시작하죠.
Dad graduated from St. George 75. Stansberry Architectural and Designs worth $250 million.
일가족은 범죄하고는 거리가 먼 미국의 증산층. 집안의 유일한 골칫덩이는 장남 카일이었죠.
Black sheep, straight D student, truancies all over high school.
수사를 하는 척하지만 세라는 분명 평소와는 다릅니다.
We need to keep our shit tight here, all right?
Shut up.
집으로 돌아오니 여자친구가 심각한 얼굴을 하고 있습니다.
I'm pregnant. It's not a good time for either of us.
It's not.
할 말을 잃고 허우적거리는 홀더.
Jesus, what's wrong with you?
홀더는 아버지가 된다는 것이 두렵습니다. 세라 역시 겨우 선잠에 들었을 때 긴급으로 넣은 탄두검사가 나왔습니다.
It's 2 guns. We just found the one.
가족들을 해친 무기가 사라졌고 카일의 머리를 향한 무기만 남은 것.
They've got that beachfront. We should get divers out in the water.
Detective Boulder.
유력한 용의자가 이제 막 깨어났습니다.
How you feeling, Kyle?
Who are you?
Do you recall what happened that night?
No, I haven't been home since Christmas.
마치 드라마처럼 기억 상실을 주장하는 카일.
Where are my parents?
We're with the Seattle Police Department, Kyle.
Did something happen to them? You have to tell her that I'm okay.
의사는 충분히 가능한 일이라고 이야기하지만
So it's gone completely?
It seems limited to the emotionally traumatic.
But he could be faking it, right?
홀더는 말도 안 된다고 생각하죠. 다음 날 세인트 조지 학교를 찾아간 세라.
We've stationed an officer at the hospital with him, in case whoever did the murders comes back to finish the job.
세라는 카일에 대한 판단을 아직 유보하고 있죠.
Kyle said he was here the night of the murders, not at home.
He went on furlough that weekend.
휴가를 받고 외박을 했다는 카일.
We need to see Kyle's room.
Why?
I'm more than happy to lock down your school and search every inch of it.
분명 바가렛은 수사를 탐탁치 않게 여깁니다.
Get at Stansberry's barracks.
방에서 별다른 단서를 찾을 수 없자
Did you know Kyle well?
No, ma'am, I can't say I did.
Forgot something in the car. Just gonna go run out and get it.
밖에선 링콘이 담배를 피고 있었죠.
You know Kyle Stansbury?
He's a loner. You know? Loser.
Did Kyle have any enemies there?
No one even knew that kid existed.
그런데 링콘은 느닷없이 시비를 겁니다.
Put your hand on this head, Eminem. My dad's taking your job and your pension.
이 시각 카일은 부모의 유언장을 듣고 있지만
There won't be any financial support at all for Kyle?
That was his parents' explicit wish.
전 재산은 큰아버지에게 가게 돼 있었죠.
My family cutting me out. It's not like news or anything. You don't have to feel sorry for me.
도대체 카일은 왜 이렇게 미움을 받은 것인가?
Good night.
마가렛이 병실을 떠나자마자 참고 있던 서름이 터져 나옵니다. 다음 날 아침 일찍 세라가 찾아오고
You think I did it?
Did you?
No. I'm not a monster.
What do you remember about that night?
I was in my room at school, and then I woke up here, and that's all I remember.
정말 기억을 잃었다 해도 그는 여전히 용의자입니다.
Call me if you think of anything.
이날 밤 집으로 돌아온 그녀는 책상에 올려둔 단피가 한 개 사라진 걸 발견합니다. 그날 밤 스키너를 쏜 총알은 2발. 그녀의 범죄를 입증할 수 있는 중요 증거가 사라진 것이죠. 두려운 마음을 품고 문을 여니
Where's my dad? I know he's here.
스키너의 딸이 찾아왔죠.
Please, Dad, I just need to hear your voice.
세라의 벤타는 점점 조각나고 있습니다. 다음 날 생도들의 입단속을 시키는 마가렛.
Today, Cadet Stansberry will be rejoining us here. I expect all of you to help your brother reacclimate to life here. I will not repeat myself. Is my message clear?
밖에선 카일이 기다리고 있었죠.
It's okay, buddy. You seriously don't remember shit from that night. Heard your little sis took her face, though.
세라는 사건 당시에 걸려왔던 신고 전화를 듣고 있습니다.
I heard gunshots, 6 or 7 of them. They're coming from the Stansbury house.
He sounds so calm, like he's ordering takeout instead of calling in a shooting.
곧바로 신고자를 찾아가 보니
My home is my camera obscura. By nature, artists are sometimes invalids.
괴팍한 소리를 하는 신고자.
Can you describe to me what you were doing immediately before you dialed 911?
And I was startled by half a dozen or so loudness.
That's still a long way to hear a 9mm.
카일의 집은 호수를 건너 멀리 있어 작은 권총 소리는 들리지 않을 가능성이 높았죠.
It's very quiet around here, especially at night.
You told the 911 operator that the shots were coming from the Stansbury house. How could you be so sure?
Theirs was the only light on. And the lights were not in the house. They were on in the Stansbury's beach house.
스탠스베리 가족에겐 또 다른 집이 있었던 것.
No forced entry, locked from the inside. If somebody was here, they had a key.
그런데 방을 둘러보던 세라는 누군가 숨겨두었던 옷가지를 발견합니다. 옷의 주인을 찾기 위해 스탠스베리 본가로 돌아온 그들.
Phoebe's a 4, these are an 8.
Not the sizes either. I mean, one's a little country, one's a little rock and roll.
분명 10대의 옷이었는데 둘째 딸하고는 사이즈가 맞지 않았죠.
These clothes belong to somebody else.
그런데 피비의 방에선 그녀가 숨겨둔 사진이 발견됩니다.
Hey, take a look at these.
Yeah, she's posing for this.
피비의 방 정면에는 신고자의 집이 보입니다.
Did you find anything at the Stansbury's beach house?
그에게 피비의 사진을 보여주자
She kept them. I knew she loved them. I knew it.
You're gonna need to come with us, Mr.
You don't understand that Phoebe and I, we had a special relationship.
긴급 체포를 하고 2층으로 올라가 보니 수천 장의 사진으로 가득한 방이 보입니다. 수년 동안 남자는 피비를 스토킹하고 있던 것이죠.
As I said, I'm more than happy to assist in your investigation, but I need to be present for any conversations you have with my students.
세라는 호숫가 별채에 관해 묻기 시작했지만
I do not know if anyone was staying in that beach house, ma'am.
What was your relationship like with your sister?
스토커가 찍은 사진들을 꺼내놓자 당황하는 카일.
I saw Phoebe one night. She was standing in front of her window like that, and I told
Did you tell anyone?
my parents didn't believe anything I said. They didn't care about me, so.
오히려 거짓말한다고 혼났다는 이야기.
I think that's enough, detectives.
사건이 일어난 날에도 스토커는 피비를 찍고 있었습니다.
Maybe those photos are something we can go on.
There's a couple muzzle flashes visible, but otherwise the house is too dark to see anything. Uni said Emmett had a couple years worth of photos. Let's go through them and see if there's anything we can pull.
이때 경찰서엔 스키너의 딸이 찾아오죠.
Detective Braddock, I can't find my dad anywhere.
How long has it been since you've seen your dad?
Like 2 weeks? She's lying. She knows where my dad is.
Nothing to worry about.
이날 밤 잠들어 있는 카일에게 이상한 소리가 들립니다. 혹시나 하는 마음에 화장실로 들어가 보니 링컨이 더러운 장난을 친 것.
Oh, Kyle. We're just having a little fun. You understand, right?
주먹을 꽉 쥐고 분노를 참고 있는데
What are you doing? Whoa, we're just messing around, AJ.
갑자기 링컨을 패버리는 AJ. 기회를 놓치지 않고 주저없이 주먹을 날려버리죠. 다음날 AJ는 다시 한번 카일에게 다가옵니다.
Anybody asks, you got cracked by your rifle during drills?
Why are you being cool with me now?
Because that Psycho Lincoln deserves it.
이때 경찰서에선 어제 별채에서 발견한 옷의 주인을 추적해냅니다.
Lab pulled a print from my bag. Our mystery lady is one Katrina Nelson.
She was at the hospital.
카일이 수술받고 있을 때 모습을 드러낸 그녀.
Got latents not only in the beach house but all over the main house.
어쩌면 이 사건은 카일과 카트리나의 공동 범행.
I already told you everything I know. Now get off my back.
Ma'am, regulations state you're not permitted in here without an escort.
You want to talk here?
You know this girl?
급히 달려온 마가렛은 세라를 쫓아냅니다.
And you talk with any of my students without my permission, and I will go to the deputy commissioner.
어쩔 수 없이 경찰서로 돌아가니
Have you talked to Skinner lately? His daughter's worried. She thinks something happened to him.
Yeah, I don't know.
아무것도 모른다 이야기를 해봐도
I checked Skinner's phone records. He hasn't made a call since that night Adrian went missing.
레딕의 의심은 멈추지 않습니다.
You want to know more than that? Then talk to him.
이날 밤 카일에겐 카트리나가 찾아옵니다.
The police came asking about you. I didn't tell them anything.
They got what they deserved.
이들은 분명 오래전부터 사귀어온 연인이었죠. 짧은 미래를 마치고 집으로 돌아가는 카트리나. 하필 이 모습을 링컨이 바라보고 있습니다. 다음날 레딕은 스키너의 부인까지 찾아갑니다.
I told that other detective that night that he was going to the lake house.
스키너가 잠들어 있는 장소를 알아내고
Which detective did you talk to?
I don't know. The greasy one with the chin hair.
홀더 역시 연관되어 있다는 증언을 얻어내죠.
I can't find the second shell casing. I've looked everywhere.
You put them both on the table, right? You look right.
Look, I'm not going to jail for that scumbag. Carolyn's pregnant. Gonna have a wife and baby that need me.
이 순간 세라에게 홀더가 탄피를 빼돌리지 않았나 의심이 생겨나죠. 경찰서로 돌아오니 스토커가 찍은 사진이 분석되어 있습니다.
It's a Corolla, maybe. It's an older model, though.
Here, there's somebody in the driver's seat. I want to know who this car belongs to.
사건이 일어난 날 집 밖엔 차량이 한 대 서 있었죠. 그런데 뜬금없이 마가렛이 찾아왔는데요.
I think I may know where you can find that girl. She apparently was in his room last night.
Did you see the girl?
One of my boys did. He heard her invite Kyle to her show tonight.
레딕은 홀더의 알리바이를 탐문 중
You were doing that night that Adrian kid went missing.
Same as you. I was looking for the kid.
You didn't tell me you were at Skinner's lake house, did you?
Lake house. Why would I do that?
홀더의 마음속에 불안감이 커서만 갑니다. 이날 밤 마가렛이 알려준 클럽에서 축치고 있자 카트리나가 모습을 드러냅니다.
I need the money and a place to stay. So
That beach house. You were living there?
Is he your sugar daddy?
it wasn't like that.
가족들은 조건 없이 별채에 머무르게 해줬다는 말.
Seems you had a pretty good deal at the Stansburys. Why'd you leave?
Took a fucking Haagen-Dazs bar out of the freezer because I was hungry. Practically called the cops.
보다 못한 카일이 아버지에게 대들었지만
He punched Kyle in the face. A lot of people hated the Stansburys. The mom was sick. I mean, real sick. She used to teach tennis, and something happened. It's the best thing that ever happened to Kyle.
그날 밤에도 별채에 있던 카트리나.
And I heard gunshots. I got scared and ran. Poor Kyle.
두 사람의 공동 범행이라는 의심이 커져만 가자 카일에게 충격을 주어 자백을 끌어내려고 합니다.
Was Kat here? Was she with you? Did she do this? You lied about knowing Kat. What else did you lie about?
계속해서 압박해도 카일의 입은 열리지 않죠.
I don't know. I would tell you if I did.
자신의 처지를 덤덤히 털어놓는 카일.
They all hated me.
Why did they hate you?
I mean, I don't know. No one told the truth about anything.
아버지가 카일에게 유일하게 원했던 건
Me to be a good soldier. My dad gave me one every year for my birthday, but I wasn't allowed to touch them.
대화를 나눌수록 그가 결백하다는 생각이 듭니다.
I've been thinking about Kat. I don't buy her as it doesn't feel right.
And her palm print on the gun was.
이제 남은 것은 카일의 엄마 린다.
We heard she had some trouble when she was here.
And I prefer not to speak ill of the dead.
Oh, so she was fired. Why?
There were allegations of inappropriate sexual relations with one of her tennis players.
No charges were filed?
I'm sure the Stansberrys donated more than time to your school.
He was a very troubled boy.
무기를 들고 왔다가 퇴학을 당한 문제야.
What's his name, Mr. Devere?
I'm sorry, but I really can't tell you that.
경찰서로 돌아오니 뜻밖의 소식이 기다리고 있습니다.
Hold her. Lyndon, got a second? I thought you'd want to know about the lieutenant.
Dad texted me this morning. Sorry, I guess I overreacted.
스캐너의 폰으로 세라가 문자를 보낸 것.
You sent that text. You kept his phone.
Yeah, thank God I did. It saved us.
You didn't think to tell me you were gonna keep his fucking phone?
No, I didn't.
거짓말이 들어가는 세라에게 불신이 커져만 가져 호수별장으로 달려간 세라는 간직해두고 있던 폰을 호수에 던져버리지만 스키너의 부인이 지켜보고 있습니다. 다음날 경찰서엔 팩산장이 도착합니다. 불법 무기 소지죄로 학교를 퇴학당한 적이 있는 링콘. 그가 바로 카일의 엄마와 사고친 학생이었죠.
Lincoln's arrest records says the gun he brought displayed a Glock. Same weapon used on the Stansberrys.
이제 링콘은 사건의 중요 용의자.
What up, Lincoln?
You know I'm not supposed to talk to you, Popo.
카일의 엄마에 대한 이야기를 묻자
Why was something that barely covers your snatch unless you're looking to get staked?
It was a big deal to you, not to her. Maybe that hurt. Was Mrs. Stansbury your first?
정신없이 모욕을 당하던 그는
Hey, where's the gun? Silver Glock you brought.
Go check my bedroom at home if you want.
집을 뒤져보라고 도발하게 되죠. 방 안은 기괴한 사진들로 가득 차 있습니다. 포스터는 대부분 눈이 찢어져 있었죠.
He's done this stuff for years. He thinks it's funny. And frankly, I think the school overreacted to all this nonsense.
엄마는 링콘을 감당할 수 없자 군사학교에 내다 버린 것.
So if it wasn't a big deal, then why'd you send him away?
Lincoln's been very hard to handle, but we're not the only parents who have needed to send their child away.
이 시각 세인트 조지에선 끔찍한 부조리가 벌어지고 있습니다.
Have you been briefed about how this works? Yes, sir!
I thought Colonel Rain said no more hazing.
Fish to my right, you get first crack.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout.
서로 노래를 부르며 때리는 잔인한 신고식.
Sir, can I go, sir? I have a paper to write. Now I can see we need to get you back on track.
Fish! Halt! You're in for a treat.
Hit me, cadet.
AJ는 강제로 게임을 하려고 하지만
No,
끝까지 거부하는 카일.
Now!
Yes, sir.
Pair off with Stansbury.
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout.
결국 카일은 신고식을 가장한 폭행을 당하게 되죠. 믿었던 AJ의 배신은 카일을 더욱 나락에 빠뜨립니다. 한편 세라는 링콘이 범인이란 사실을 입증할 핵심 증거를 찾고 있는 중
They needed wheels. An hour's drive back and forth to the Stansberrys from St. George's.
Maybe you drove that Corolla that we saw in the Emmett photos.
집 앞에 주차돼 있던 코롤라가 의심스럽지만
Partial plate. Don't even got the color.
너무 어둡게 찍혀 겨우 차종만 구별할 수 있었죠.
Point blank range, she'd be covered in blood. You had to clean up somewhere.
그들은 주유소 화장실을 방문해가며 범인이 남겼을지도 모르는 증거를 찾고 있습니다.
Only 49 more bathrooms to go.
이때 레딕에게 스키너의 부인이 찾아오는데요.
When you last saw him, Jen, he was driving his own car, right? I don't know how to put this. Does James have an eye for younger women?
찔리는 게 있는 듯 곧바로 뛰쳐나가려는데
Why don't you try following around that ex-partner of his?
Well, I was there the other day looking for him, and I saw her. She was looking at the water, and she tossed something into the lake.
계속해서 화장실을 뒤지던 세라는 갑자기 노숙자를 바라봅니다.
Where'd you get that?
배지엔 세인트 조지 마크가 찍혀져 있었죠.
Did you find it in that dumpster?
You see, you threw it in there?
Nope.
범인은 이곳에서 몸을 씻다 배지를 떨어뜨린 것.
Found this in the pipe tray and hung up to some hair. Hard to tell, but it looks like a tooth shard or a bone sequester.
Will all the dental records for the Stansbury family do a DNA swap, see if we have a match?
응급으로 감식을 맡기자 결과가 금방 나옵니다.
Got that DNA report on the partial tooth. It was the dad's.
Anything in the gas station security tapes?
Between 12 and 7 a.m. One was a Corolla.
스토커 사진에 찍혀있던 코롤라가 주유소에서도 발견된 것.
It was blocked behind the dumpster, so we couldn't see the plate of the driver.
세인트 조지로 가서 용의자들을 면담하려 했지만
They might look privileged. They might look like they've got everything in the world, but they don't. Broken, thrown away!
We're doing our job, lady.
Don't come back here.
대놓고 수사를 방해하는 마가렛. 그런데 주차장에는 코롤라 한 대가 서 있습니다.
We'll be having any trouble getting that search warrant now.
이날 밤 숙소에 돌아온 카일은 책상에 놓여진 총을 발견합니다.
I'm sorry I came in here early. I am, but I had to. I had no choice. And I need to talk to the police right now.
그런데 마가렛은 신고를 못하게 막고 있죠.
Somebody here wants me dead.
Now, what makes you think that?
증거를 보여주기 위해 방으로 갔지만 감쪽같이 사라져버린 총.
You've been under so much pressure. No one here wants to hurt you. For your own safety, I want you to stay in your room.
오히려 마가렛은 카일을 환자 취급하고 있죠. 한편 세라는 코롤라의 소유주를 알아냅니다.
Margaret Rain is the owner of the Corolla? Holder, you're not going to believe this. The owner of the Corolla is Colonel Rain.
Reddick's at the lake house. Found Skinner.
정신없이 호수 별장에 도착하자 유골들이 담겨있는 빨간 봉투가 보입니다. 그리고 스키너가 호수 밖으로 끌려 나오고 있었죠. 그녀의 범죄가 드러날 시간이 점점 다가오고 있습니다. 부검실에서 손을 써보려고 하지만
It's all circumstantial. We stay focused. We keep our stories straight and our mouths shut. We get through this.
마음속 불안감을 감추고 마가렛을 찾아간 그녀.
Car was spotted at a gas station between here and the Stansbury house.
So that's why you've been harassing me? What do you think I've been doing there, Detective?
지금 필요한 건 차를 수색할 수 있는 영장.
I'm getting a warrant. When I come back here, I'm taking you down.
홀더는 재빠르게 뒷조사를 해놓고 있었죠.
Philip Stansbury's credit card records, cross-referenced with Margie's. Past couple of years, they got corresponding out-of-town hotel bills.
카일의 아버지와 교장은 불륜 관계였던 것.
You put in for a warrant to impound her car, right?
I haven't heard back yet.
Call them back.
Yes, Detective Holder. Yeah, whatever.
It's denied.
세라는 직접 판사에게 따지러 갔다 홀더의 여자친구를 만나죠.
One of our warrants was denied, and we need to know what the hell's going on.
Okay, I'll see what I can do. I'll make some calls in the morning and...
No, we can't wait. It can't be tomorrow. It needs to be right now.
Hey, Linda, chill.
압박감에 시달리는 세라의 상태는 분명 정상이 아닙니다. 하필 이 순간 레딕이 찾아오는데요.
I know you and Holder were both out at the lake that night. You pulled the trigger, didn't you?
You're even more incompetent than I thought. Because if you had anything more than this made-up story, I'd be in cuffs right now.
Bad guys all make mistakes. Until I get proof. Ask your partner. It's always the one with the conscience.
사실 홀더는 범죄와 상관없는 목격자. 그가 세라를 배신할 가능성은 충분합니다. 외출 금지가 풀린 카일은 링콘을 찾아갑니다.
I know you put those plans in my textbook. It's coming back. All of it. Everything that happened that night is coming back to me.
Wow. You still don't remember what he did to you that last family day, huh?
What are you talking about?
Bang.
다음날 영장이 아직 나오지도 않았는데 마가렛이 찾아옵니다.
How long do you think it will take your people to search my car?
It depends on what they find. You and Philip Stansbury were having an affair, weren't you?
What kind of details would you like?
그녀의 멘탈을 공격하기 시작한 세라.
But the affair wasn't enough for you, was it? Did Philip promise to leave his wife for you? And were you pathetic enough to believe him?
Bet he got tired of you.
And massacre his entire family, if that's...
그녀가 끌고 온 코롤라도 수색해봤지만
You got your car completely reupholstered? When'd you do that?
Recently, cleanliness is a form of self-respect.
그런데 마가렛은 자신의 알리바이를 이야기합니다.
My friend Charles Ross was with me all night. He's my instructor.
I bet he is.
그녀에겐 또 다른 남자친구가 있던 것.
Detective Linden, Detective Holder. How long have you known Margaret Rain?
We dance twice a week.
Were you with Margaret the night of March 7th?
I was helping her schmooze at a fundraiser at the downtown Four Seasons.
And after the fundraiser?
She likes to be held. There's no crime in that.
마가렛에겐 깰 수 없는 알리바이가 있습니다.
He's remembering.
이날 밤 겁에 질린 링콘이 마가렛을 찾아오는데
Lincoln's right. He told us the doctor said Kyle would never remember. We have to do something now.
No.
Well, if I hadn't gone back in the house that night to get that other gun, we'd be fucked.
AJ와 링콘은 그날 밤 카일의 집에 갔었죠.
I followed your plan. I even became that loser's friend. And we're gonna find out exactly what he remembers.
Kyle is not to be touched.
You're coddling that little shit.
이상할 정도로 카일에게 집착하는 마가렛.
I know about Skinner.
이때 레딕은 홀더에게 접근하고
I'm trying to help you, Holder. The only reason we dredged the lake is because Skinner's wife saw Linden out there. She was tossing something into the water. You got a kid on the way. You got a family to think about. You want to tell your side of the story?
확실한 물증 앞에 흔들리기 시작하는 홀더.
I'm going to the deputy com tomorrow morning. I'm telling him everything. So this is your chance to dig yourself out of your grave.
하필 이 모습을 세라가 목격하고 맙니다. 이날 밤 신입생을 하나둘 불러 모으는 AJ. 카일 역시 그들을 뒤쫓아가는데요. 신입생들은 분명 또 다른 부조리를 당하고 있는 중 이것은 AJ가 준비한 함정이었습니다.
Does that bring anything back?
그들이 꺼내놓은 건 엄마의 사진.
Well, come on, little buddy. Get nice and hard for mommy.
We have a family day tradition in this battalion. Starting to remember now?
이때 카일의 기억이 조금씩 돌아옵니다. 사건이 일어난 날에도 똑같은 괴롭힘을 받은 적이 있었죠.
You did this to me that night.
You killed my family.
What is he talking about?
혼란스러워진 카일은 마가렛에게 달려가지만
I remember. It was that night.
It's okay. Everything is gonna be alright.
Oh, God, I don't want to remember.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna get you some water.
그런데 방을 둘러보던 카일은 아버지가 선물로 준 병정들을 발견하죠. 진열장 안에는 은색 글록이 숨겨져 있습니다.
Kyle, it's not what you think. You need to believe me.
Stay away from me.
No, I've been protecting you.
AJ의 범죄를 숨겨주었다 생각하는데
I would never let anyone hurt you. Kyle, don't go! Don't go! Listen to me! Come back, please!
카일은 결국 탈영을 하고 말죠. 정신없이 숲을 지나던 그에게 AJ와 링콘이 추격해옵니다. 사냥당할지도 모른다는 두려움에 나무 뒤에 숨어보지만 다음날 수색을 나온 세인트 조지 병사들은 나무에 찍혀있는 손바닥을 발견합니다. 이 시각 세라는 사라져버린 탄피를 찾고 있는 중 홀더가 가져갔다는 의심이 확신으로 변하고 있죠.
Detective Lennon.
그에게 전화를 건 사람은 바로 카일.
Who shot you?
AJ and Lincoln. And then she had Colonel Rain. They all did it together. They did it together. Oh, God.
세라는 일단 카일을 집으로 데려옵니다.
You should get some sleep.
그녀가 세인트 조지로 달려가고 있을 때
What did you do to Kyle?
You said if I trusted you, everything would be okay.
교장과 학생들은 서로 대치 중이었죠.
You used me. You didn't care about me. All you cared about was him.
You stole my vehicle to go to that house. When it was all over, you came to me. I fixed it all for all of you. What more do you want?
AJ, let's get out of here.
Don't you walk away from me!
총성을 들은 세라가 급히 교장실로 달려가니 싸늘하게 식어있는 두 명의 병사들.
You have to arrest me.
마가렛은 자신이 모든 범죄를 저질렀다고 자백합니다.
Your alibi checked out. We have the tapes from the hotel. You were never in that house that night. Why are you lying?
I'm not lying.
이때 세라의 눈에 들어온 병정 인형들.
You've been protecting him from the beginning. You cleaned up the car. Philip didn't give Kyle those soldiers. You did. Because he's your son.
카일은 바로 마가렛의 아들이었던 것.
Philip he never loved Kyle.
혼의 자식이었던 카일은 집안 누구에게도 사랑받지 못했습니다.
He's been hurt. You have to arrest me. I'm the one to blame, not him.
체포되는 순간까지 눈빛으로 부탁을 하고 있는 마가렛. 이제 카일을 체포하면 이 사건은 종결입니다.
Let's go pick up Kyle.
이때 갑자기 총을 꺼내든 세라.
You took that showcasing. It was your insurance in case they ever found out. You'd have proof that I did it. You and Reddick were talking. I saw you.
수년 동안 존경했던 선배의 바닥을 봅니다. 홀더는 카일을 체포하려고 하지만 이미 그는 세라의 집을 떠난 상태.
The back door doesn't lock.
모든 기억을 되찾은 카일은 자신의 집에 있었죠.
My dad hated me. I saw it in his eyes every day of my life. And my mother, I didn't exist to her. They hated me.
도망치듯 쫓겨난 학교에서도 괴롭힘을 당하던 카일은
I was gonna show him what real hate was. Let's do it!
완전히 정신이 나간 채로 집으로 돌아가
Kyle?
What the hell is going on?
카일이 사고를 치자 곧바로 도망친 AJ.
I went from room to room until they were silent. And I was finally alone.
그리고 다음날 쓰러진 채 발견된 것. 결국 이 사건은 모두에게 비극만 남긴 채 마무리됩니다. 세라는 레딕을 찾아가 자수하려 하지만
Holder had nothing to do with it. Put him in the car and drove it into the lake.
I offered him a deal. He told me to go fuck myself in the rear end.
결국 홀더는 끝까지 세라를 지켜줬던 것.
I'm waiving my rights. I don't want an attorney. You can arrest me now.
이때 뜻밖의 사람이 찾아옵니다. 바로 현직 시장인 대런이었죠.
I think you've made a mistake. Imagine the public response. If a cop, a high-ranking detective, the damage would be irreparable.
To whom? You?
이미 타락해버린 그는 스키너의 존재를 모조리 묻어버리려 합니다.
Joe Mills, those girls.
Skinner confessed!
What evidence do you have, detective? Oh, it was nice seeing you.
결국 스키너 사건은 세라가 옷을 벗는 것으로 마무리되죠. 시애틀을 떠날 준비를 끝낸 세라는 방 구석에서 잃어버린 탄피를 발견합니다. 홀더를 의심한 채로 세상 속에 혼자 남겨진 세라. 몇 년의 시간이 지난 후 부인과 이혼한 홀더는 성당에서 봉사활동을 하는 중
Oh, snap.
Hi.
You're looking good.
You too.
So why are you here?
그녀는 자신의 잘못을 홀더에게 사과하죠.
I should have known that you are one person who always stays.
Why don't you stay?
I'm gonna get a ticket. I should
Lyndon.
go. Yeah?
자신의 운명을 저주하고 있던 세라는 다시 떠나려 하지만 홀더라면 함께 버틸 수 있다는 사실을 받아들이고 킬링은 이렇게 마무리됩니다.